Hello friends, so today on FAQ number 5 we will discuss on dermatophytes. The previous was on movement disorders which was described on a separate video in my YouTube channel. So let's move into it. Dermatophytes, derma, that doesn't include only skin, it also includes skin, hair as well as nail. So first is trichophyton. Tri means skin, hair as well as nail, both are affected. Then coming to microsporum, listen, skin will be infected in all trichophyton, microsporum as well as epidermophyton, but in microsporum whether hair or nail is affected, and in epidermophyton whether hair or nail is infected. This will be the question in NEET PG. So we have to remember, like M is not equal to N, so nail will not be infected, so hair will be infected, but in epidermophyton skin and nail will be infected. Then coming to macroconidia, listen, TME, it is the short form of Telegram channel, and there is an excellent educator in On Academy known as Dr. Preeti Sharma. Her channel is PSC, Telegram channel of Preeti Sharma. So PSC for primary sclerosing cholangitis, whatever you can remember. P means pencil shaped, spindle shaped, clove shaped. Pencil means macrocondyl will be like this, spindle means, and clove means. Okay, then microconidia, from above downwards number will decrease. So this is all about dermatophytes for NEET PG. Then moving on to FAQ number 6, that is on autopsy techniques. This is recently asked in NEET PG 2023, so kindly remember it. Organ removal techniques. If the organs are removed one by one, then this is known as Virchow's technique, and it is most commonly accepted. Okay, then large dissection, L for L, known as luteal, but large dissection will not be asked. This will be asked like en masse dissection. I will remember en masse 2S, luteal 2T. Okay, then en bloc dissection, en bloc, en on, gone on, en bloc, not like en masse, S for double S double T. Okay, you can remember like this. Then in situ for Rokitansky, SIT, Rokitansky method. Question will ask, in situ method is for HIV, COVID or any transmissible disease patient. Okay, then why large dissection is preferred? To keep intact the vascular supply. En bloc means as a block, cervical block, thoracic block, pelvic block, all are removed as a block. Okay, question will be this much for autopsy technique. Then moving on to FAQ number 7, that is tetanus vaccine. This is routinely seen in casualty. The doctor sees whether we have to give complete dose of tetanus vaccine or only the TT single dose or only wound care. So we have to know it thoroughly. If the patient is fully immunized, that means immunization is done within 5 years. We have to see whether this is a clean wound or unclean wound. If the wound is very clean, only wound care is done. Even if this is unclean, only wound care is done, because within 5 years immunization has been done. But if 5 to 10 years, then here wound care plus TT single dose is given. Also for unclean wound care plus TT single dose is given. If immunization has been passed for more than 10 years, then what we have to do? Wound care plus TT single dose, if this is a clean wound. But if this is an unclean wound, then wound care plus TT single dose plus HTIG. HTIG means human tetanus immunoglobulin. But if the status is unknown or patient is not immunized at all, then wound care for clean wound care plus TT complete dose. Schedule has to be completed. We'll discuss the immunization in some next class. Okay. For unclean wound, if the status is unknown or patient is unimmunized, then wound care plus TT complete dose plus human tetanus immunoglobulin. This is very important for NEET PG. Okay, so kindly remember all these frequently asked questions and kindly see the number 4, which was on separate video. So thank you so much. Kindly subscribe, like, comment my channel.